Hey guys, what's up? My name is Eric and I'm the Techy Agent, and today we have some exciting news. We have some new products from Fitbit. So first up is the Fitbit Versa, and what Fitbit is doing with this watch is trying to have a lifestyle device that appeals to those who want both a smartwatch and a fitness tracker in one package. Now, it's pretty obvious that what Fitbit is doing here is they're trying to directly compete with the Apple Watch, which is a lifestyle device. So let's talk about where Fitbit does well and maybe where they get it wrong. So they've really advertised hard the smart features of this device, which include working with popular developers to develop applications for the device. And so it seems like what Fitbit is trying to do is break out of the mold of being a fitness tracker and appeal to those who want a fully fledged smartwatch experience as well. Now, taking a look at the fine print and reading between the lines, you can kind of see here that Apple isn't going to take this sitting down. They're definitely going to make sure that this device does not hijack their Apple Watch sales by locking out certain features to make it that it's Android only. Apple honestly isn't that concerned with Android Wear smartwatches because they're never going to have full functionality on an iOS product. But where Apple is concerned is with a device like this that appeals to consumers because of its fitness and health capabilities, but also brings with it a lot of the smart features that people want. Now, speaking of features that people want, that would be music storage built in on the device, and this definitely has that, including not just storage built in for your MP3s, but also the ability to download playlists from applications like Pandora and Deezer. Additionally, Fitbit is claiming that this is going to have about a 4-day battery life, which definitely competes with other smartwatches, which typically only get 1 or 2 days worth of battery life. This is also going to be water resistant up to 50 meters, and there appears to be a wide assortment of different design choices that you'll be able to select from. The display is going to be what we've come to expect from Fitbit now, which is going to be a bright 1000 nit, very crisp, beautiful display, covered with Gorilla Glass 3 and coming in at 1.34 inches. Fitbit has announced a release date to retailers for April of 2018, and it will start at $200. There will be a $229 special edition version of the watch, as well as the ability to purchase additional watch straps for around $50 a pop. So this is an interesting device. Now, a couple of things are missing from it that I do want to address. So one of the big strikes against this watch is that it doesn't appear to have built-in GPS. That's not a feature that Fitbit is talking about at all. Now, that's probably intentional on Fitbit's part. They're probably going to release a GPS version of this watch at some future point, so they're intentionally leaving that feature out in order to boost sales. The other thing that we're still missing from Fitbit is the ability to pair with external heart rate sensors. So while Fitbit does allow you to pair the device with external Bluetooth headphones in order to listen to the onboard music, they don't appear to be allowing you to use that Bluetooth connectivity in order to pair with external heart rate sensors like a Polar H10 or H7 chest strap. The next product that Fitbit is releasing is the Fitbit Ace, which is a fitness tracker designed for kids. Now, this looks familiar because it's essentially the same design as the Fitbit Alta. They're basically just taking the Fitbit Alta and changing some of the user interface on it in order to appeal to kids. So this is another device that Fitbit is looking to release here in April. The price tag will be $99 on this. So while that's relatively affordable in terms of fitness trackers, it'll be interesting to see whether or not parents actually buy a $100 fitness tracker for their kids, especially because Garmin already has some relatively successful fitness trackers that they've released for kids at lower price points. So it'll be interesting to see, how parents respond, which one they go for. So the Fitbit Ace is a pretty basic fitness tracker in terms of what it actually tracks, which is going to include steps, all-day calories, activity minutes, and even sleep. And it'll, spit back all of that stuff via the app that parents can look at, and then it'll also have a kid version of the app that it's a little bit more user-friendly. So while I think the device is cool, I'm not sure that parents are ready to spend $99 for a fitness tracker for their kids, but who knows? I could be wrong. So let me know in the comments below what you guys think about these products and if there's something that you guys are interested in purchasing. Of course, once they actually are released, I will do a full review of these products here on this channel as usual. Hey guys, thanks for watching. My name is Eric and I'm the Techy Agent. We'll catch you next time.